how Smurf Cat got famous. Have you seen this blue Smurf Cat meme all over the internet? So it is the popular meme that is going viral on internet these days. The blue Smurf Cat meme first appeared on TikTok with the Russian hashtag, which often known as Shaloshai on social media, and this has received millions of views and comments. So this meme basically, or this Smurf Cat basically looks like a blue Smurf. It looks like a cat with a mushroom for a hat and cat-like facial features. This tiny monster may be seen toddling down a tree while carrying a dead snail. These video feature the spectre by Alan Walker playing in the background, making them more unique than standard video. It was first limited to TikTok, but it has since migrated to the website like YouTube, Instagram, and other social media platforms. So this is how the blue Smurf Cat got famous on internet. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.